I was 6 years old, I broke my leg. I was running from my brother and his friends, and tasted the sweet perfume of the mountain grass as I rode down. I was younger then. Take me back to when I found my heart and broke it here. Made my friends, lost them through the years, and I've not seen